In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use charts in Monday.com step by step, perfect for those who are seeking to visualize their data efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Monday.com homepage. This is the main hub where all your projects and boards are located. Once you're logged in, you should have a good overview of all your active projects. Now, from the homepage, locate the board that you want to create a chart for. In this tutorial, let's work with a sample board. Clicking on the sample board will direct you to its workspace, where you can start setting up a visual display of your data. With the sample board open in front of you, look toward the top of the screen, and you should see an option named Add View. This is where we'll begin building our chart. By clicking Add View, you're opening up a variety of ways to visualize the data contained within your project. The option we're interested in here is the chart. Selecting the chart option is a powerful way to transform raw data into insightful visuals at the click of a button. Once you click on chart, you'll be taken to a new window, which is the chart interface specific to your board. This interface will allow you to break down vast amounts of data and present it in a way that's clear and easy to digest, both for yourself and your team. The next step is configuring the chart settings to match the kind of insights you want to draw from your project data. For that, you'll need to click on the Settings button within the chart view. Clicking on Settings brings up various configuration options. This is where you can fine-tune what your chart will display and how it will look. Here you can choose the data you want to be represented on different axes, select the type of chart, whether you prefer a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, and so on, depending on what best suits your data story. These settings help transform your basic data into visually appealing information, empowering your team to make informed decisions. Finally, once you've adjusted your settings, you'll want to click to configure your chart. This step finalizes your chart creation process. Applying all the personalizations you've set, your data is now visualized clearly and concisely, ready to be used in presentations or as part of your team's daily operations. And there you have it, your Monday.com board data, beautifully illustrated through a chart. Visual data presentations have never been easier, providing not only a functional aspect but also improving your ability to communicate complex information effortlessly. Remember, this visualization tool is a powerful addition to your project management toolkit, making it easy to track progress, spot trends, and enhance team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these steps helpful in creating effective visual displays of your data on Monday.com.